What if the difference between a city that struggles with technology and one that transforms daily life comes down to something as subtle as trust and thoughtful design? Around the world, digital government projects often make headlines for missed deadlines and expensive failures. Yet in Singapore, smart city innovations don't just exist. They quietly shape one of the world's most livable urban environments. So, what makes Singapore different, and why does its approach matter for cities everywhere? Let's step inside Singapore's journey, a place where technology is not added for technology's sake, but woven into the fabric of daily life, quietly, efficiently, and with purpose. In 2014, Singapore launched its Smart Nation initiative. But this story began long before, as early as the 1980s, when leaders laid down a national computerization plan, ensuring strong digital foundations decades ahead of the curve. Unlike cities that chase the latest trends, Singapore built patiently, layer by layer, focusing on what truly improves people's lives. Consider how its digital infrastructure shows up in the little moments. Today, renewing a passport in Singapore takes less than 10 minutes online. Medical records are securely shared across public hospitals, eliminating redundant tests. On the city's lush streets, smart lampposts gather data to detect everything from illegal drone activity to faulty lighting, saving energy and keeping neighborhoods safe without intruding on daily routines. But efficiency isn't the only secret. One lesser-known fact is how Singapore's unique size plays to its advantage. With just over 5 million people in a highly urbanized landscape, the city-state can pilot, scale, and refine projects more easily than larger nations. Yet beyond geography, it's a matter of trust. Years of transparent governance and public consultation have created an environment where citizens see digital services as reliable allies, not threats or inconveniences. Another difference is how Singapore designs technology with the user in mind. Each digital touchpoint is tested for accessibility, simplicity, and security. When COVID-19 hit, Singapore's national contact tracing app, TraceTogether, was rolled out quickly, with continual feedback loops to address privacy and user concerns. The focus always returns to, will this solution support the person using it? And will it work seamlessly in real life? Of course, even Singapore faces challenges, from global cyber threats to rising expectations. But its success is not born from perfection. Instead, it's shaped by a culture of thoughtful iteration and an unwavering focus on public good over quick wins. Singapore's smart city model shows that meaningful digital transformation requires more than technology. It needs patient investment, community trust, and relentless attention to human experience. Perhaps this is why, while ambitious projects stumble elsewhere, Singapore's quietly brilliant approach just works. For any city dreaming of a smarter future, the story of Singapore is a reminder. Modern technology should make lives smoother, not more complicated. If you found this perspective meaningful, subscribe to Singapore, Quietly Brilliant, for more stories on how thoughtful design, technology, and policy come together to build better urban life for everyone.